So the product I'm going to be reviewing is its IS Clinical Pro Heal Serum Advanced. It is a water-based serum. See how fluid that is? The second ingredient is ascorbic acid. So for those of you who have dry and sensitive skin, this may react with your skin or inflame your skin. The fourth ingredient is denatured alcohol. They're probably using it to be a thinning agent. It does have retinol in it, so you do need to wear sunscreen, and I would probably use this at night. It says it's also recommended to bring down redness and inflammation. Now it does have polyphorus embolitus. It's a mushroom extract, and they're probably using it for polysaccharides, which can help reduce inflammation, increase hydration in the skin. It does have zinc sulfate. That also reduces inflammation. It also has arbutin, which is a natural lightener. So it's good for hyperpigmentation. Those of you who have dry and sensitive skin, you're probably going to have to test patch it.